Install or configuration needed. Versatile mounting options. Supports desktop or wall mount placement. Silent operation. The fanless design means zero added noise wherever it's located, making it ideal for noise-sensitive environments. Peace of mind warranty, covered by an industry-leading 3-year limited hardware warranty. Energy efficient. Designed to optimize power usage, lowering its cost to operate. Most models are compliant with IEEE802.3az Energy Efficient Ethernet mode. Built to last. Every Netgear Network switch is rigorously tested for reliability, quality, and performance. Top reviews from the United States. Will get the job done. Well, it may be a little high for a router, but it is worth it. The router was well packaged. It came with all the instructions you need, info on how to download the configuration app, etc. The app, by the way, worked extremely well and was so straightforward I could find every setting I wanted just by messing with it for about 2 minutes. It is also a great way to monitor live network traffic and connected devices. I really have no complaints with this thing. The antennas are well made, attach securely, are actually thicker at the connection pin than my old router even. Wi-Fi signal on my PS5 used to be 85 to 90% plenty good enough. Now it is 98 to 100% with the router sitting in the same spot as the old one. It even has better venting in my opinion, with good front-bottom heat vents, and a ton of venting from the top and back. The power button is also much easier to find and switch, a nice quality of life thing to have. Really, if you are looking for a top-shelf router, be it for gaming, streaming, NAS, whatever, this guy is going to get the job done.